us at Helpston crossing Cambridge here with Hello, Adam, and all the rest. You don't need to every time, he doesn't film every single thing. 3, 2, 1, start.
There we go.
And down. Oh, no.
That's a tiny bit.
Is it staying up there?
A little bit, but not as bad.
Is it staying up there now?
Yeah, we need to give it some help.
Yeah, great. King's Edinburgh.
It's down a bit further.
Not much further.
All the things are cobwebs on these lights because they love cobwebs.
Because they're old. Spiders, come on. They're not, well, not old, Adam, but every crossing like this has cobwebs on it.
Luke is not here, even though he invited David.
Because he didn't come.
Yeah, that's where it gets silly.
Yeah, you're right there, Spike. And the crossing, I beat everyone. I got an early start because the signal was near the pedestal, and I knew he was about to lower it, so I just put my camera on. He walked away from the pedestal.
I only bother getting an early start if he's actually at his pedestal. He's just arrived there and he's reaching his arm out. Like I got that half a second or something start last time.
He was sticking his finger up it.
Thank you, Adam, for that course
Are you
remark.
putting that video on YouTube? Are you putting that video on YouTube?
I'll come back here. This will not be my last video at Helpston, as I am determined to come back here later and get the other side. But you just said it's not actually enough time to get the other side.
Yeah, Shane.
I wasn't bothered to go yet. Come on, where's King's Edinburgh Freight?
I believe
We've got both ways. Adam, and I think we've also got Lee. We've also, I think, got some from Kings. They said.
Yeah. What you can do is you can send me the.
There's an Ely search it. I can't find it. Search it. It's big out.
Isn't that a surprise?
Tollington's only. Joe Fritz Tollington's for his details. He's on Tollington. Are we waiting for that as well? Or yeah, Tollington's the main 13, 26 till 78 from Doncaster, Peterborough. Peterborough service from Doncaster down Decoy to Peterborough. Virtual. That's probably a load of I've passed 1343. Here she is.
Oh, here's our virgin. Here's our freight as well.
Hey?
Our freight's here.
91!
91, 131.
And 82, 223. And we've got 66. 729 Derby County, GBRF Lee, Toronto, something, Northampton Saints again. I only saw Northampton Saints yesterday.
All into Peterborough.
All those bullets for that. And
Saints is back.
But it does now because we're staying. We're not staying, are we? Well, he's not near his ping the bong. It's Helpston, anything is possible.
Well, it's the East Coast main line, so anything can be possible. Yeah, we're staying. What do we got?
1 Lima 08. That runs early. It's late stuff.
Reload your timetable.
Max easy on. Oh, you also waited 52. We've already got that, haven't we?
That was the other way, Shane. That was, this one's Liverpool Norwich, that was Norwich Liverpool.
Yes. So this is a delayed one.
Yay.
Hang on a minute, it's in a big
Liverpool's this way. It'll be coming on usual third track most likely.
What over this crossing? I want to train all the way here as well.
Spike, on those freights, there was one of them called Northampton Saints. That was passing Ruskington 3 days ago, and I saw it only yesterday at Metheringham.
Oh.
So it's quite busy. Except it was only on its own.
What, you went? Did you come on King Central Crossing?
Yes, and I've got the load of Brayford. I know.
With Joe, Andrew, Shane, and Luke.
But unlike you, I managed to get Hikenthorpe on the hill.
There might be more tracks. There might be more tracks at that point.
I was going to film Harkin, but the next train was an hour, so we just went early. I did film Donington Road and Bootham Crossing, just worked out though.
Yeah.
So we just went.
I'm still waiting for East Mid.
It's Spike and Matthew, they featured in my Wolverhampton video. And Smethwick.
And the Hawthorns.
Yep.
And then you missed the feature with Will.
Yes. Anyways,
Still nothing.
I can hear something. That's probably Corin.
I can hear something.
Nearly 7 minutes.
We can see.
There's nothing over here yet, Adam.
I'm just standing on this wet bag.
No, you're standing on the pipe.
Feels like someone's. Yeah. I mean. Ah, God! I scratched my elbow. That hurts. Oh Lord, you in a minute.
Oh Lord, me when you're in York.
Oh Lord, I'll oh Lord you in York then. When state premier in.
Already on 7 minutes 10.
In 7 minutes.
Here she is.
Oh, here she is. And we've got.
Oh,
It's
good
East
on.
Midlands.
158 854. 158 854 to Norwich, and we actually go up. Up they go. Thanks guys, see you in the next video.